Just got a couple of bikes, these Voodoo Zubot bikes, and I thought I'll change the tires. And I thought, let me just go for a bit bigger tire than I could fit. And the maximum it could fit, according to the internet, was 2.4, 2.5, something like that. I kind of don't like it because it's too narrow and I want something chunky. So I thought I will order 2.6, which was over the limit. So I got it there, so fit it there on the wife's bike. And I thought, for me, I'm just gonna order a bigger one, a chunkier one than what I can fit. So, time to get some new tires. I just ordered these, they came yesterday for one of the bikes we've got here. It's a Voodoo Zubop. I thought bigger than what I can fit, I think. It's 2.8. Yeah, that's what they are showing here. 2.8. Quite chunky for this bike, so I don't even know if it's gonna fit, but I will try my best. I fitted 2.6 on the other one. We've got two exactly the same, identical bikes. I've got 2.6 on the other one, it kind of fit. Even if they say it's 2.4 is the maximum, so I went for 2.8. And I will do it to make it even harder with bare hands because I've got no tools anyway. So I'll fit these two tires without any tools on my bike. I might fail, but let's see what I can do. I'll just unpack them first. Take all the stuff that you don't want to. Careful not to damage your tires. Right, so I've got two beautiful tires, really chunky, and I will just fit them on my bike. First is first. I think I should put some gloves, but I'll do it in a minute. So I'll just take the bike upside down, trying to not to damage my granny seat. Okay, so get some gloves, you know, so I don't damage my nails. And first thing is first, just get the rear one off, get this away. Apparently these bikes are so simple to work on, that's what I've been told. All you have to do is just use your hands, no tools. I love it, it's amazing. Remember the olden days? You need loads of tools to just change the tire. Now it's just nothing. Bare hands, that's all you need. Okay. It's gonna stay here for a while. So let's just get rid of this. I think it should have gone. That way. A little bit off. Okay, tire is coming out. Well, probably could lift a little bit more with this tire, but I will change it. Right, the next one is going to be the front one. Again, no tools. I love it. I love this bike. It's amazing how simple it is to take a wheel off a bike. I love it. Right, so I'll just take this away a little bit because I don't need it for now. What I'm gonna do is take the air off first. I guess just have to press this on until it goes Gonna go away. Come on. Take the air off. I don't even know if the new tires will fit because they're quite chunkier than the original ones. They're 2.8, so the frame might not take it. I don't know. We'll find out in a minute. And this is where it gets interesting. I don't have any tools and I don't need them. All you have to do is just squeeze it. Just literally squeeze the tire until it pops out. I've never done this before, but I'll give it a go. As long as I've got this off the rim, it's halfway done. And then I'll do the other side. It's just a bit stuck. All we have to do is just to squeeze it to the middle of the rim. And we can leave the valve down on the bottom and just do that. So that is the tire off the rim without any tools. There you go, tire off. Boom. Gonna get the new chunky tire. I think I have to follow the directions. So this goes on there according to the road which comes from there. This tire, this rim will spin that way. So it will spin that way. That means rotation that way. So this has to spin that way as well. Okay, can't wait. Let's see if it's gonna fit or not. Is it gonna fit or is it not gonna fit? Is it gonna fit? Drum rolls. It might not fit. I'm so excited. Anytime I get excited about something that I've invented or tried, it never happens. I should keep quiet. If I keep quiet, things go well. If I'm too excited, nothing happens. It's just ridiculous. It's life. So this might be one of those failures. We'll find out in a minute. Oh yeah, I can tell this tire is well chunkier than the others. Just hope the frame will take it. Because it might hit the frame and start rubbing into the frame, and then it's not gonna be a good thing, is it? It's gonna be a disaster and I will probably cry my eyes. And I'll have to go to buy smaller tires, which I don't really want. All I want is to ride my bicycle. Come on, baby. Get in. Right, so I'm starting to push the tire in on the other side. Good to start from the valve. And make sure the tire goes on both sides of the inner tube so it doesn't get dropped in there, because that's gonna be a bad thing to happen. And I think something like this is happening right now. So I have to lose this. Sorted! I'm so happy. Yay! Got it! It's all in. Gosh, that was just a challenge. Apparently the chunkier the tire is, the more difficult it becomes to fit it in. Just tight the valve in. Make sure you got enough slack everywhere. Yes, we are good here. Time to pump it up. But before that, I'll just do the other one. These are not bad tyres, by the way. The old ones, I don't know why I'm changing them. I guess I just want something chunkier. Right, same thing again. Hopefully this one is going to be easier. Really hope so. Right, so what I can do is just start again with the other side. There you go, the tyre is off. 2 minutes job. Brand new tough tone tyre. Direction of the wheel is going there, so it spins that way. I kind of love this job already. Should start doing it as a business. Wow, this happens so simple. Why didn't go in on the other tyre, the different size? The other wheel was a nightmare, this was so simple. Time to get some air in. I'm going to the compressor to pump them in, and I'll be back to fit them in a second. Old tyres, new tyres. Hopefully they'll fit. I got them pumped up, and now I'm going to fit them back on the bike to see if they're going to fit in the frame. Drum rolls, everyone, let's see what's gonna happen! Okay. Right, I've got the new 2 tyres on. They're extremely chunky, but I think they're just about turning into the frame, so I might be lucky. I'll find out in a minute. Let's turn it the other way around. Oh yeah, it looks amazing. Look at that chunky tyre. Can't wait to go try it. See ya. Oh, I much prefer the 2.8, which is this one. The one on the left is with a 2.8. Much better, much chunkier tyre. And it rides better. Looks more like a bike. Look at the tread. Well done, Tough Tom.